When you're working with a small data set, you can look closely to spot interesting values and apparent relationships in the data. When you work with a larger data set, it can be more difficult to find individual values of interest in that huge table of data. So for this reason, many data analysis tools include the functionality to highlight key values using some sort of visual indicator that makes it easier to see interesting aspects of the data at a glance. One common way to highlight comparative numeric values is to use color intensity to indicate the data values on a scale. This is often called heat map visualization, and it's usually used with continuous numerical data to compare values so that the higher the value, the higher the color intensity used to highlight it. In this case, the days with the highest temperature are highlighted with a dark orange, and cooler days are shown in a lighter shade. Another technique is to show comparative values by relative size using data bars. In this case, the days with higher levels of rainfall have longer bars than the days with less rain. You can also highlight individual values that fall within some criteria. For example, Rosie could highlight the top 20% of revenue and also the bottom 20%. So now she can see at a glance on which days she achieved her best results and on which days she didn't do so well.